How to fix TikTok account getting suspended. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your TikTok account getting suspended and how you can recover it. So let's get started. First, you'll have to take a screenshot of your problem, and after you take a screenshot of your problem, just go to the settings of TikTok. You do not need to log in to go to the settings, so just go to the settings. After you're there, scroll down all the way and you'll see support and about section. Under there, tap on report a problem. After you tap on report a problem, you will see account and profile under topics. Tap on account and profile and tap on login. After you select that, you will get more options here. Tap on suspended account, and after you tap on it, you can simply just tap on this to check if your account is suspended. Now here, you can since my account is logged in and I'm not suspended, it's not showing there. But after you tap on suspended account, you can simply select your account and then report, and under report you can go to the others section. Let me do that here. Tap on others, and here tap on no, and you can tap on need more help, and you'll get to the help desk. Now here you can send the picture of your account and you can explain your problem to them and ask them to make your account active, and that will basically fix the problem guys. And that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.